What is up, YouTube? Brandon Rogers here with Chili Dog Motorsports, and we're in the driveway with both bikes today. Wasn't planning on doing anything with the Sportster yet, but here we are making a video. We've been having an issue, and I've been scouring the internet and haven't really found a great solution, but I did find a solution, and I felt it was important enough to share. So stay tuned and find out. Now, the issue I've been having with this bike is these crummy forward controls that they flex no matter how much you tighten them. They don't get tight, they just flex, and I don't like that at all. It's missing the brake linkage, so this piece of chain is in here and it binds between the exhaust and the cam cover, and you can't hit the brake all the way. They're just crummy and super dangerous. Coming around the other side of the bike here, we got the same issue. The pegs flex. I hate that. I really hate that. That drives me up the wall. The shifter has a ton of slop in it because this linkage is a little sloppy. And then the, whatever you want to call it, the adapter at the end, that's also sloppy. So when you shift, it's just like, just mush. I don't like that at all. And the way the shift linkage is routed, it rubs on your leg when you're shifting. I will say I'm a little biased because I actually really hate forward controls, like entirely to begin with. So just putting that out there. So the problem I have been having is this bike being a 1989, finding a set of mid controls is close to impossible. So between 86 and 91, the mids are different than 91 and up. I think it's 91 to 03 or whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong there. But I've been looking for a set of mid controls, either OEM or aftermarket, whatever, but all the sets are super expensive. That's where my solution comes in. Just buy the pieces individually. It's that simple. So, and I would like to state that this video is not sponsored by anybody. This is just simply me passing along information, and it just happens to be where I got the parts. So I actually went on DennisKirk.com, and you can buy individual pieces for the mids on these bikes. Like I got the brake side pivot stud, and then the left side foot peg mount. Those were like 20 bucks each, so for 40 bucks. And then I had to go on eBay and buy a brake pedal because I didn't have a factory brake pedal. And then we are just going to reuse the foot pegs themselves and the shifter from the forward control kit because they're usable. They're not great, but they're usable. So for about 60 bucks, we were able to piece together a mid control set, which isn't terrible compared to the 300, 400, 500 bucks an aftermarket kit's gonna run you. And now I know this is not an earth-shattering development. I didn't discover anything outrageously crazy new or anything like that, but if you have a 1986 to a 1991 Sportster and you're having trouble finding mid controls, just piece them together. It's that simple, apparently. Found that out. So hopefully this information helps somebody, because I didn't find a whole lot on the internet that helped me. I just kind of had to figure it out, piece it together myself. So hopefully I can help you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Time to get out of my driveway now. Get out of here.